Hey, NeckPro Mattress promotion is around the corner. So what do? Still doing a survey? Driving, walking, asking, sometimes getting cheated? Come on here. You see, getting a good mattress is not about science, equation, or cosmic mystery to solve. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to get a pricey one. In fact, it's all about how to get a suitable one, the one that works. You know, just like dating somebody, we know there's no perfect person. It's not like we are going to date God anyway. Anyway, NeckPro has been in the provide you the best sleep game for many years. With all the diversity, options, well, it's like 30 choices there on the menu. There's always one that's gonna strike your heart. Alright, let's get to the topics. What are all the differences of NeckPro mattresses? First, let's break all NeckPro mattresses into 3 series: Suisu series, Extreme Cool series, and Olympus series. Suisu series and Extreme Cool series. These series are all packed with zero motion transfer spring system with high density foam as the support. It's vacuum packed and it's easy to carry and move. Rollen and Penguin are both 8 inches thick with 1.8mm spring coil, and they provide softer sensation with firmness rate of 5, and they can maintain the medium firm feeling up to 50 kg per sleeper. Super suitable for a lightweight person and children. Although both have very similar features, but Penguin, on the other hand, comes with an upgrade with extreme cool fabric. It gives you more coolness as you sleep. Rouleaux, Mammoth, and Hallstatt are all gauged with 2.0mm spring coil, and all of them makes a really great choice for those who are looking for a mattress with firmness rate of around 7 with less sense of wrapping to the body. And tell you what, Rouleaux is a very popular choice for first-timers in NeckPro. It's affordable and can satisfy most sleepers without any hassle. If you are looking for extreme cool features, Mammoth and Hallstatt works the best for you in similar range. Mammoth will be more bouncier, Hallstatt will be more absorbent towards movements. Suisu, Roru, and Glacier are both all-time best-selling mattresses in NeckPro. 12 inches thick with 2mm spring coil. Extra comfort toppers give you a sense of wrapping to the whole body, but no caving effect to the lumbar. Just like sleeping on a cloud. And it's super popular among celebrity and influencer circle. Well, if you want extra luxurious coolness, Glacier will be your best shot.
Wow, I like Suisu and Glacier so much, but my husband is 95 kilo. What now?
Good question. Change your husband. No, I mean, I'm just kidding. You see, NeckPro has launched a massive upgrade to them in 2022. Suisu Plus and Glacier Plus are both 13 inches, super thick, 2.2mm spring coil with extra natural latex. It withstands more body weight with ease and gets you extra comfort with material from the nature, latex. It helps relieve more pressure point to the body, more airflow efficiency, and it's natural. If you want to feel the snow-like coolness, Glacier Plus will be a go-to option. Or you can always change your husband. Or sleep alone. Just let him sleep on the floor. Next, the Olympus series. Let's change the music a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Olympus series in the era of Oblicious Ancient. The Olympus mountain is where the immortals shine the light. Olympus series are designed for luxurious pride and bold. The mattresses are all packed with 2.0mm spring coil with zero motion transfer system. This series can bear more weight. The spirit is so strong that it cannot be compressed. Oleander and Zenovia are both very popular options for first-timer. With 2.0mm spring coil and medium firm foam support, it holds the body with great sense of support. No cave-in effect up to 80 kg per user. Oleander is 10 inches, where Zenovia is 12 inches. Tell you a secret, in most cases, thicker mattress will have more lifespan on spring coil. Arktos and Haurun are both most popular choices in heavyweight users, 2.0mm spring coil and firm foam support. It was tested to hold up to 100 kg per sleeper with no caving effects. They're also one of the best choice to go with sleepers who are suffering back pain issue. The design of the mattress combines the modern elements and European art style, making it both looks superb and classy in any environment. Ariem and Pasithea are both meant for grand, luxurious and comfortness. With 16 inches and 18 inches high, European art style dedicated design with generous layer of latex foam in nature, making it stand out just like a grand piano in a Mammoth aesthetic. 2.0mm extra high luxurious spring coil, with both Eurotop and pillow top combined. They provide extra comfort and support to any users, with no worries to the body weight of users. It was tested to withstand up to 120 kg per sleepers with superb overall performance. Ariem with extra firmness and support build, where Pasithea provide comfortness and strong foundation. The two are the NeckPro most luxurious mattress of all time. So, ladies and gentlemen, now you see it, now you know it, but how do we get them? Guys, trust me, it's easy. Because we are everywhere.